I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to remove a device from your BigCommerce account, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Log into your BigCommerce account. Start by accessing your BigCommerce dashboard using your credentials. This is the main hub where you can manage all your store settings. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, find the Account Settings option in the left-hand menu. This is where you can manage various aspects of your account, including devices. Step 3. Select Devices. In the Account Settings, look for the Devices section. This will show you all the devices currently linked to your account. Step 4. Choose the device to remove. Identify the device you want to remove from the list and click on it. This will open up options related to that specific device. Step 5. Click Remove. Finally, hit the Remove button to unlink the device from your account. Confirm the action if prompted to ensure the device is successfully removed. Sometimes, you might need to refresh the page to see the changes take effect. If you don't see the device disappear immediately, give it a moment. I hope this helps you manage your devices on BigCommerce. If you have any more questions, feel free to ask.